You're over age 40, which means now that you need to eat less calories because it's easier for you to gain weight. But your doctor says, be careful. Yes, eat less calories, but because you're over 40, you need to eat more nutrients. How are you going to pull that off? Less food, less calories, more nutrients. I'm about to show you exactly how. That's a lot of information I'm going to cover in today's video, but before I forget, click the subscribe button below so that you may receive more videos from me about healthy eating. At our ages, no matter whether you're a woman or a man, there are 4 nutrients we desperately have to have. Calcium to keep our bones strong and prevent them from weakening and becoming brittle. Also to help our muscles maintain their flexibility. Protein, which helps you keep your energy up and help you maintain strength in your muscles, especially in your midsections. Potassium, and a whole lot of it because you need it to help you keep your blood pressure under control. And of course, dietary fiber to help you keep your weight under control and prevent your cholesterol from becoming dangerously high. The last part that holds everything I just talked about together are the 5 dietary food groups. If that's not in place, it all falls apart. The 5 dietary food groups for Americans are vegetables and fruits, proteins, whole grains, and dairy products. I've been eating healthy in a deliberate lifestyle manner for the last 10 years. Let me tell you, I know what I'm talking about. It's beautiful what it's done for my body and health. Everything I'm about to share with you. For all of that to happen, I prefer to create smoothies for 3 important reasons. First, it allows me to add all the foods necessary for me to meet the 5 dietary food guidelines for Americans. 2, when you're over age 40, sometimes swallowing can be an issue, but because this is a smoothie, you can eat all this food without any worries. And 3, by eating the foods in this smoothie, you can meet your nutritional goals for calcium, proteins, dietary fiber, and potassium. So, let's put this smoothie together. The Dietary Food Guidelines for Americans recommends that we should eat at least 2 cups of vegetables per day, recommends up to 3 cups of fruits per day, proteins, and whole grains. And while our nutritional smoothie is blending, take a listen to this. You have more calcium in your body than any other mineral. The body stores more than 99% of its calcium in the bones and teeth to help make and keep them strong. Your body needs calcium to help muscles and blood vessels contract and expand. And when it comes to proteins, our bodies need proteins from the foods we eat to build and maintain muscles, bones, and skin. The fruits and vegetables in today's smoothie are rich in dietary fiber. Another government report said dietary fiber adds bulk to your diet and makes you feel full faster, helping you control your weight. Potassium is a mineral that your body needs to work properly. It helps your nerves to function and your muscles to contract. It helps your heartbeat to stay regular. Well, there we have it, today's nutritional smoothie. Let's check it out and enjoy. Yum yum. Go ahead and click the subscribe and notification buttons below so that you may receive more videos from me about healthy eating. And while you're at it, go ahead and click the like button below. That will help me out and my channel out with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for that. See you next time.